11. Okay, here we go. Good morning, Bill. What is today? Timestamp.
We're in Osaka, Japan, April 11th, Wednesday, 2018. And we're waiting Ken, our tour guide, to give us some hints on where to go and what to see in Osaka this morning.
All right. And what hotel are we at?
That's a good one. It's called the Cross
Hotel.
C-R-O-S-S.
Yes.
Yes.
Like the
Right along
Holy
the main
Cross.
drag in Osaka.
Hey. Check it out, guys. And these guys got some crazy.
Pick in your card, Bill. You gotta do it really quick.
Really quick.
Open the door.
Because over here, everything has to be quick. I gotta show you guys the what happened was when I first got here, some problems with my camera, but now they're all resolved. But I'll show you the breakfast tomorrow morning, and it's quite charming.
It's really nice. Yeah.
Yeah, this hotel is brand new. In fact, they're still finishing up the last finishing ups, but it's really beautiful. And, this is the guy that's gonna go with us. Okay. Aloha.
Yeah, there.
Yeah.
That Pablo, everybody likes that cake. It's like a sponge cake, it was very popular. Yeah. So our hotel, you gotta remember to sign up here. We go. So we're in the corner. Where we go, if you can see from
We go, you go, everybody go.
You got a crab. Just go to we go.
Yeah.
See there.
See, look at that. We go, you go, everybody go. Yo, not an awesome sign too. That is an awesome landmark right over here on your right. It's called BVD. You cannot miss that. As long as you see BVD, you get them. See them right now. BVD. That's USA, bro. BVD. Oh yeah. Honolulu coffee over there. You know what they're selling over here? Crab. Hey, crab. You look like invisible.
Must be that's a big
It's not a big vegetable. Look at that. It's like, yeah. Oh, how would I? Alright. Whoa, how would I? Yeah.
Pricey side. Yeah, it's a pricey side. This area is where they get the takoyaki. All the streets, right? So you make crowded. On the right hand side, going down with a great signage on the right hand side. Near there, that's where you can find the restaurant Blanco. Blanco is a Japanese restaurant with set menu, sushi, any kind of shabu-shabu. Just past that, you will see a guy with a hand up in there. That's sushi zanmai. That's where the guy from Tsukiji came down. They have it all over. So I was there last night. That time they have a set and stuff like that. Sushi zanmai on the right hand side. Okay? This is more like street food. If you go down the streets and in between, you find little restaurants, a little bit cheaper, and then they get set menu. Okay? We're gonna go straight down. This is your story is straight
Down.
all the way to 5.
Right. 5 blocks.
Yeah, we must have not gone.
Yeah, right.
No, but you went all shot. You had all shot.
You know why? You know why, Ken?
No, just the one end before you reach the big shoe.
Yeah.
You gotta go over the street.
Oh, okay. Okay, let's go, let's go.
Too short.
Let's go. You know why, Ken? I need lots of beauty supplies, yeah?
Oh, you know this.
That's joking.
You know this store over there. That's for the freebies.
You have to close.
Oh, no, 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 not that sacred stuff, you. Tomorrow morning breakfast, I wear them again. That's how I get good dreams, you. Important, that's important. Happy dreams. Wow, look at this. They're wonderful. Okay, here we go. This is looks like it's gonna be a pretty crazy crosswalk. Yeah. I get my tattoos for this. That's nice. So over here they're making the omosuba, takoyaki, okonomiyaki, yakisoba, and modanyaki. Wow. Oh, that's a good side again. Oh, man.
It's like a leftover panini.
Which one is the whale one?
No, that's not here. 100 grams for $20. Sashimi, like 500 yen. If you're not choosy, then this is okay. $5. You know, all total, yeah?
That's mango and watermelon that's seedless. I also was filming that crazy dude with the king crab and the blowtorch, bro. Wow, that looked pretty good. Wow, look at this guy. Hey, look. Look. You want me to buy you one like that? Look, Bill. Can be just as irritating as me. This is what these guys specialize in. These guys are gonna be eating real soon, bro. Check it out. I'm sorry, guys. It's just that you guys are so delicious. Thank you. So we went and got some. Yeah, right. Okay, here we go. We got some noodling. I always wanted to get one. And oh by golly, we got one in Japan. And they are beautiful. I'll show you the design when we get home, but they are absolutely magnificent. Remakes of some crazy artwork. We were gonna get this one, but we ended up buying the last of another design. But these are really beautiful artwork. Aloha.